Welcome, in front of me is DELL Latitude 34520, and in this video I am going to show you how to update Windows on this laptop. To do that, you'll have to open the Start menu, go to Settings, then in Settings select the last Windows Update section right here, then click Check for Updates in order to find the available updates for your device. And if you already have some right here, then you'll see the Install All option right here. Then click this one option, and once the updates get installed, you'll probably have to restart your PC, and you'll be notified whether or not you'll have to do that. You'll see the text saying it right here, or you'll get a notification if you leave this menu in the bottom right corner of the screen. So either way, you can restart your device anytime. It just is required for some updates to apply. Now you can also go to Advanced Options, then select Optional Updates and see if there are any updates or drivers available for your device. Just select the ones that you want to install and click Download and Install, and this way you will also install the additional updates for your device. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.